Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A3 radio without the specialized removal keys. While these keys are designed for easy extraction, sometimes you might not have them on hand. It is important to proceed with caution, as improper techniques can cause damage to your radio unit or the surrounding dashboard components. We will explore some effective alternative methods. Before attempting removal, it is crucial to understand how your Audi A3 radio is secured. The unit is held in place by 4 spring-loaded locking tabs, one in each corner. These tabs engage with the dashboard frame. The official removal keys are designed to slide into the 4 narrow slots on the radio's face, pushing these internal clips inward to release the unit. If you do not have the specific keys, you can try using 4 thin, rigid tools, such as small flathead screwdrivers or thin putty knives. Carefully insert one tool into each of the 4 slots, angling it slightly inward to depress the internal locking clips. Some people have also found success using a cut-down hacksaw blade or a stiff hose clamp. The goal is to push all 4 clips inward simultaneously. With all 4 locking clips successfully disengaged, you should be able to gently pull the radio unit straight out from the dashboard. It might require a slight wiggle, but avoid using excessive force, which could damage the wiring or the radio's housing. Once the unit is partially out, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors from the back. Many of these are color-coded or uniquely shaped, making reinstallation straightforward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.